Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the Samsung 9250S wireless rear speaker kit, a perfect upgrade to take your home theater setup to the next level. If you're looking for immersive surround sound without the hassle of messy wires, this might be exactly what you need. Fire emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Now, let's get into it. True wireless surround sound experience. The Samsung 9250S wireless rear speaker kit is designed to give you a true cinematic audio experience by adding real rear channel sound to your Samsung soundbar setup. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, these speakers create a 360-degree soundstage that brings everything to life. Easy setup, no messy wires. One of the best things about this speaker kit is its wireless connectivity. You don't have to deal with long cables running across your room, just connect them to a compatible Samsung soundbar, and you're good to go. Installation is quick, and the included wireless receiver module ensures a stable and reliable connection. Crisp and powerful sound. These rear speakers enhance your audio experience by delivering clear highs and deep, immersive surround sound. Whether it's the subtle background noises in a movie or the intense action in a game, you'll hear every detail as if you're right in the middle of the action. Sleek and compact design. The minimalist black design of the Samsung 9250S speakers blends seamlessly into any home theater setup. They're compact yet powerful, making them a perfect addition to your living room without taking up too much space. Final verdict, is it worth it? If you already own a Samsung soundbar and want to level up your home theater experience, the Samsung 9250S wireless rear speaker kit is 100% worth it. The wireless convenience, immersive surround sound, and easy setup make this a must-have upgrade for any movie or gaming enthusiast. Fire emoji, don't miss out. Check the link below for the best deal available today. Let me know in the comments, what's your dream home theater setup? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews.